Hello everyone! Today I'm going to give you some instructions on how to use one of the ICT tools that I have explored, which is Quizzizz. So after you have teach your lesson, you want to test how much your student understand your lesson. Then Quizzizz is one fun way to test your students. Before that, let's go through some of my quizzes that I have made. In the left column here, since you're facing your computer, so in my quizzes here you can see I have created two quizzes already. That is the first one. Okay, so I'm going to test my student about the sports. Here I give them the picture and then ask them what kind of sport is it. I provide them 4 answers and let them to choose. Okay, and now it's your turn to make some. Okay, so still on the left column, you click on create a quiz. Here, they will ask you to enter your quiz name. So I'm going to test them about countries around the world. Okay, countries. Then you choose the English is the language. Make it public or private. If possible, you can add an image here to clarify your topic. Here I put this picture. So when you're ready with this part and it's finished, click done. Now we move to the questions. So for question number 1, I'm going to ask, what country is it? Okay, but it's not clear, so I have to add an image of the country that I need to ask them. For example, I put this one. Okay, and here is the question review. You will know how your question will look like. Okay, then you put option 1, option 2, 3, and 4. So as you can see, the last 2 are optional, so you can fill in or not to fill in it. So I put it here, Japan, right? And the next one, Korea. The next one, Vietnam and Laos. Okay, so here you have to mark 1 correct answer. So this flag belongs to Japan, so I mark it correct. Then you're finished, and this is your question, how your question looks like. If you want to set the time, here is 30 seconds, but it's too easy, it can be 10 seconds. Now we move to the next question. Okay, still with the question, what country is it? And with a picture to clarify it, put the Korea. Okay, then the answer. But this one I only add 2. Okay, so when you only put 2 options, it makes your question a little bit easier because you only need to choose 1 out of 2 answers. But when you add 4 options, they will have to think a lot more, okay, to raise the difficulty of your question. So here I add Malaysia and Vietnam. Okay, and the correct answer is Korea, so I mark it correct. This way you will have more time to add new questions, also to make it more fun with all the visual aids here. So when you finish, just click finish. Okay, here they have some error. The following question is incomplete. That means question number 3, right? So I click on new questions, but I didn't put anything here. That is not okay. So they warned me to put something here. So again, I make question number 3. What country is it? Then with a picture to clarify. This one. Okay. Then the answer. I put England, America, Vietnam, and Malaysia. So the correct one is America, so I mark it correct. Now it's time to finish it. So here, they will ask you to grade. So which grade is ready to do your quizzes? So I mark from grade 5 to grade 12. And the subjects, so it will be about world languages, maybe geography, others, fun. Now we move to the topic. They ask us to identify the topics. So here I will put other, okay, maybe, and then the text if there is any. If no, just click on finish and create quiz. There, you have got your quiz ready. And if you want your students to play live, just need to play live and remember the code. So at least one student has to be in the game to be able to play it, or maybe two. If not, you can mark it as a homework, okay? You can share it as well with your friends, okay? Or just get the link. So, I hope that this video is helpful for you. Thank you for listening.